Welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Nate with Dirt Lifestyle, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the Offline Maps feature in the OnX software. It goes without saying that a lot of us go to places that don't have cell phone service, and downloading this map data ahead of time is a very powerful tool because there could be a tree across the trail, there could be snow that's too deep for you to pass, or even a fire, whatever the situation may be. And whenever you have this data downloaded ahead of time, it makes it way easier to figure out a plan B or C, or if you need to come back out to civilization altogether, this is gonna help with that as well. So we're gonna do it on the laptop first because I'm a little bit old school and I like to do things on a computer still. So we're gonna open up onxmaps.com. You're gonna log in, and then once you're logged in and you're looking at the app, Offline Maps tab, we're gonna click it. And as you can see, a whole bunch of green rectangles have popped up onto the screen in Colorado. So I'm planning a trip to Colorado right now. I wanna go through some of the Colorado backcountry discovery route, and I've already pre-downloaded some of this stuff. We wanna get a little bit more detail in some spots, but I've just kind of downloaded the gist. So we've got new offline map. There's 3 different levels of resolution with the offline map data. So you can do high resolution, 5 miles wide, medium resolution, 10 miles wide, or low resolution, 150 miles wide. And as you can see, I've already downloaded a bunch of low res maps. And the reason for this is because I don't know exactly where I'm going in Colorado yet. I know some of the places that I'd like to visit. And in any case, I want to make sure that I have like all the basic roads, all that stuff downloaded. So if I go outside of something that's medium resolution, I at least have the basic data to be able to navigate back to the road. We're not going to download any more 150 mile wide low res maps. We're going to download a couple of 10 mile wide medium resolution maps. I think that the best time to use this is if you're going to a spot that might have a bunch of little side trails, different things that you might have access to or might not have access to, and you want to either stay out of that area or stay in that area. I think that downloading some stuff around here is going to give me a little bit of flexibility because we're probably going to be riding along a ridge or something like that. And it is nice to download something that has all these other alternate routes. So we're gonna click save, and it's going to inform us that it doesn't download it onto the computer. This basically makes it to where it like bookmarks it, and then whenever you open up your phone or your tablet, you can very easily download the pre-selected sections that you did whenever you're doing your trip planning on the computer. So, okay, got it. Now, we open up the OnX app on our phone, and we click the Offline Maps tab, and we pull that up, and you can see there's a whole bunch of maps that I need to download right now. I've got 5 different maps. So we're gonna go download to device, and we can just slowly go through and click all these to download to device. And this is gonna make it to where once we get to Colorado, we have a bunch of our ducks in a row. There might be some more data that I download once I get there, but for now I at least have I've shotgunned a whole bunch of information onto the phone, and then I can update it on my tablet as well. And know that whenever I'm going to travel to this place, I have everything that I need in order to be safe on and off the trail. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that this is gonna give you the tools that you need to enjoy your next trip. We'll see you on the trails.